ಏನ ರೇಷನ್ ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಸುಧಾ ಉಳಿವಲ್ಲೂರಿ ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ?
Father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi once said, "If I were appointed dictator for 1 hour for all India, the first thing I would do would be to close without compensation all the liquor shops." However, today in Belagavi, villagers have staged a strong protest demanding the closure of an Mysore Sales International Limited liquor shop in Ambadagatti village of Kittur Taluk. The protest was held under the leadership of Veereshwara Swamiji of the Madivaleshwara Matha. Villagers gathered in large numbers and set up a tent in front of the liquor outlet demanding its immediate closure. According to the protesting women, the presence of the liquor shop is severely affecting their households as they are unable to save money from their ration expenses and hard-earned income. They alleged that alcohol consumption is draining essential household savings. The women further expressed concern that their children and husband are being negatively affected by alcohol addiction. They stated that in many homes, nothing is being saved. Gold, silver and money are being sold off to sustain liquor consumption. They also added that their family members are not listening to them at home, which has worsened the situation. The villagers said they have been fighting this issue since 2002 and have now warned of intensifying their agitation if the MSIL outlet is not closed or relocated from the village. The protest reflects growing anger among villagers over the continued presence of the liquor shop in Ambadagatti. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.
ಏನ ರೇಷನ್ ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಸುಧಾ ಉಳಿವಲ್ಲೂರಿ ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ? ಅವನ ಕಿಲಿಕಾಯಿ ಸುಧಾ ಚಲೋ ಇದ್ರ ₹1 ₹2 ಅವನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕುಡಿಯಾತಾರಿ. ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆದ್ರ ಕೊಡ ಸ್ಟೀಲಿನ ಅಮ್ಮಗಳು ಹಿಂದಿನ ಏನು ಸಾಮಾನು ಒಟ್ಟ ಬರವಲ್ರಿ. ತಾಮ್ರ ಹಿತ್ತಾಳಿ ಒಟ್ಟ ಮನಿಯೊಳಗ್ ಬಂಗಾರ ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯವಲ್ರಿ.